Welcome back to Genius Junkie, the ultimate channel for all your design needs. If you're a musician looking to create a standout album cover, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design stunning album covers using Canva, even if you have zero design experience. Choosing the right Canva template. Now, let's jump into Canva. If you don't have a Canva account yet, head over to canva.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, search for album cover in the template search bar. Canva has a huge selection of templates to choose from, whether you're going for a retro vibe, a minimalist look, or something bold and colorful. Pick a template that resonates with your music style. Remember, this template is just a starting point. You can customize every detail to make it uniquely yours. Customizing your album cover. With your template selected, it's time to customize. Start by changing the text. Click on the text box and type in your album name and artist name. Choose fonts that match your music's vibe. Canva offers a ton of free fonts, but if you want something extra special, consider using one of the premium fonts. Next, let's talk about imagery. Canva allows you to upload your own photos or choose from millions of stock images. If you have a band photo or a specific image that represents your album, upload it now. Drag and drop it into the template, resize, and adjust it until it fits perfectly. You can also play around with Canva's filters and effects to give your image a unique look. Adding finishing touches. Now that your text and images are in place, it's time to add some finishing touches. Consider adding elements like shapes, lines, or icons to fill any empty spaces. Canva's Elements tab is packed with graphics that can help you complete the look. Just remember, less is often more, so don't overcrowd your design. Finally, double-check everything. Make sure the text is readable, the colors are balanced, and the overall design aligns with your brand. When you're happy with the result, download your album cover as a high-resolution PNG or JPEG file. And there you have it, a professional-looking album cover made in Canva, ready to represent your music to the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of album cover you created. See you in the next video.